In the following video, we are going to explain how to use views. Views are nothing but test labels used to group tags, in order to restrict the information exchanged between neuron nodes via link connections. A node can have as many views as needed. Now, let's take a look at how to create a new view. First, go to Views, under Config in the System section. Then, click on the button next to the model header and select New View. Give it a name and save your changes. Views can also be created by importing a CSV file. Once the new view is created, let's configure which tags will be assigned to it. To do this, we should go to Tags, under Config in the System section and select the tag we want to assign to the view. In this example, let's select the power value in the inverter template. In the Tag Configuration section, click the button to the right of Assign Views and then hit New Tag View. We can then expand the assigned view and select the name of the view we previously created. In this case, the view is named Power. Using the same link configuration that we created in our previous video, let's open the link configuration section for the remote node, expand the Publish section, and in the Views field, we should enter the name of the view rather than the full model. Now, head to the central node and check the real-time section to ensure that only those tags belonging to your view are being published.